Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome not opening on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So let's go to the first solution. So first you need to go to the start menu icon right here at the bottom left and then right click this one and then an option shows up. You need to click on Task Manager. Now here on the Task Manager, as you can see, the Google Chrome is still running on the background. So all you need to do is just to right click the Google Chrome and then just click this End Task. So the Google Chrome will stop running in the background and try to reopen the Google Chrome and see if it fixed the issue. Now let's go to the second solution. Go back to your home screen and then go to the Google Chrome icon, then right click this one and then you'll find an option here. Just click the open file location and then find the Chrome file and then right click this one and click on the rename icon. So you just have to rename this one, and as you can see I have renamed from Chrome to Chrome 1, and just to open this application and see if it fixed the problem on your Google Chrome. Now, if the problem persists, let's go to the third solution, which is to uninstall and reinstall the Google Chrome. So once you uninstall the app, so you need to go to google.com/chrome and try to reinstall this Google Chrome. So it's quite simple. You just go here on the homepage and then click on download Chrome. And then you can now try to open your Google Chrome and see if it fixed the issue on not opening on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.